That's actually sick. That's like a vintage one, I think.
Is it?
Yeah, good find.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it's got some blood on it.
My blood?
No, I don't think so. That's hella funny. Rooney, get out of there. I thought the hooks were over there. All the hooks live. Huh? Profound flaws? I don't know. I don't have any epiphanies, if that's what you're asking. Sometimes I do just try to keep my mind blank, just to... It's enjoyable to be able to do that sometimes. It's like you're browsing on Instagram. It's not exactly where I wanted that, but whatever. Something just hit it. See? I wonder if it's a turtle just chewing on it. No, I'm gonna wait. Sometimes they like corn on the cob, the worm off of it. See, they're hitting it still. Got him. It's a bluegill. It's a pretty good one. Really? See? No, this.
She doesn't like the sound.
That's not bad.
I wonder if it's something moving down for her to check it out.
That's a nice one.
Sweet.
Trying to feed him so he doesn't leave empty-handed. Trying to feed him so he doesn't leave empty-handed. Open. See?
Oh, there's a big fish. See? It's
Uh-oh.
bass.
Where? Oh yeah. It's not like super big, but he's big enough.
Oh, bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
That's the first fish I've seen all day.
Good eye.
Besides the one that you caught.
Looks like he's careful. Step to the left a little bit. Oh, nice. That's a good one. That's perfect. Just leave it. Don't pull it. That's gonna be perfect. You see? It already got tapped. It's already getting hit. Wait, don't move it, don't move it. Wait for it to go all the way under. Wait. He's not on yet. Just keep waiting, just keep waiting.
Is this right? Is this correct?
Just wait, just wait.
Is this correct here?
Yeah. Just wait. When he pulls it all the way under, that's when he has it. He doesn't have it yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
And I just want to yank it up, right?
Yeah, but wait, there. Oh, sorry, that was not. When it, he's still nibbling, just wait. I don't think he's on yet. And then you're gonna go like this, you're gonna say. No? There. You got him?
I don't think so.
Damn. Try casting it back out there again. No? Oh, you were just reeling? I would recast. Oh, wait. Was that you or was that... Wait, wait, wait. Keep waiting, keep waiting. He's got to take it all the way under. Don't. Now he's got it. Nice.
Oh.
You come off?
Yeah. Oh no, is that him?
Yeah. Is that a little largemouth? What is that? Wait, reel him in.
Heavy. I'm scared I'm gonna break the pole. What is that?
That is like a... That's like a shiner. What the heck?
Yeesh.
That's funny.
I don't know what that is. Wait, get the lake in the background.
I think that's a shiner. Trying some different angles out here. That's funny.
He's cute.
He's fat.
Don't come in real.
Good. See? He's got a slapper.
You like it?
He's pretty fat.
Show it to her again. Oh, she didn't like it. Some of the juices came off of it.
I'm trying to get you out of here, buddy. Hey, look. Kissy. Alright. You want to try one more?